اما عنوان متن درس 2 هست The Funny Farm Hand. Monkeys are clever animals. They can learn many things. In some countries, they are farmhands. They help farmers. These monkeys live in the jungles of hot lands. The farmers raise coconuts in fields. Coconuts grow at the tops of tall trees. The farmer must climb each tree to pick them. Is it hard work? Some farmers keep monkeys. They do this work. It is fun to see a monkey going to work. He rides on the back of the farmer's bicycle when they go to the field. The monkey climbs each tree. He looks at the coconuts. The monkey knows that a brown coconut is ripe. He knows that a green one must stay on the tree longer. He picks the brown ones and he drops them down to the farmer.